I'm Sierra B, and this is Eating with Sierra B.
And I'm Llama Llama.
Yep, and today is St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's!
Woohoo! Happy St. Patrick's Day!
Wobble, wobble, wobble.
I hope you're all wearing your green.
Yep, me too.
If not, you might get pinched by a leprechaun. Those little guys can be pretty nasty.
Yeah.
In fact, the leprechaun gave me this hat.
I don't see how that's nasty.
Well, he wouldn't give me his pot of gold.
Yeah.
That would have been nice.
Yeah, well, at least you got the hat. It has a gem on it.
Yes.
My great-grandma was born in Ireland. She came over on a boat in 1954. I'm Irish. At 21 years old, she landed in Quebec with her boat. And then she came to BC 3 years later and stayed because it's beautiful.
Beautiful basic.
We called her Bumma and she loved potatoes.
Every Irish person loves potatoes.
I only really like them when they're mashed. That's why we're going to be mashing them today.
Yeah.
And eating them. Mama used to call mashed potatoes jam. Today we are going to be making and eating her version of jam.
So exciting. Always be careful of the hooks. Hands. You don't want to lose any fingers.
I won't, don't worry. Now I'm going to start holding it. I'll do it from the other side now. Now that we peeled the potatoes, my dad cut them. Now I'm going to put these into the pot of water.
That is a lot of potatoes. Oh, splash.
Yep, I'm going to put this one more gently.
I already had a shower this morning.
Really? Well, you do seem clean.
Oh, thanks, Julia.
You're welcome. Flip, flip.
Ooh.
I got some salt and I'm putting it into the water.
You know what the scientists call salt?
Now what?
Sodium chloride.
That's funny to say. You guys try it.
Do you know what the chemical equation is?
Now what?
NaCl.
Cool.
Na is sodium. Cl is chloride.
The Cl makes sense, but Na?
I know.
Now I'm going to get this pot of potatoes boiling. It's like a pot of gold.
Oh, I was just gonna say that. A true pot of gold.
Next, I'm going to be making some Irish soda bread. First, I have 3.5 cups of flour in this big bowl. And next, I have 2¼ teaspoons of salt. For some reason, I love salt. And then I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And now I will mix it. Whoa, oven at 425 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. First, I am going to put in some butter. Butter break, butter break. Ooh. Nice. Next, I will do the cream. There. And now, salt. And now, some green onions. Next, I will use this handheld blender to blend it. Now it's time for taste testing. I love it, but I don't really like the green onion. But otherwise, it's awesome.
I'm back for the good stuff now.
All right, here's your bowl.
Oh, thank you.
You're
I
welcome.
bet you that tastes amazing.
You want to have some?
I sure do.
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have you tasted it?
Yep, I love it.
Good. You really are Irish, aren't you? Nom 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 nom. Oh wow! Nom 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 nom. That is so good.
All right.
Thank you so much, Sierra.
And then for the bread, you want to have some?
I sure do.
It has butter on it. Now for taste testing.
Ooh, it looks good.
This is one of the best eating with Cerebees ever.
Awesome.
They're all super good, but this bread is amazing. Maybe it's because I'm like a bread addict, but oh well.
It smells amazing.
Mm-hmm. Well, guys, have you ever tried soda bread? Oh, the crust is hard. This is good stuff, guys. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. This has been Eating with Sierra B.
Lots of fun.
Mm-hmm.